Welcome back. Today I'm taking a look at a company called BilletSPIN EDC. If you've never heard of these guys before, they do very high-end, high-quality, very upscale EDC spinning tops. Now that's what they're known for, but they also do pens and multi-tools right up my alley. So let's see what I got here. I just want to thank BilletSPIN EDC for sending me all the gear that you see here on the table. I don't even know where to start. I guess we can start with this bad boy right here. This is the Thunderstorm Stemless Gambit Body Design 1. Now I'll be completely honest, I don't really know much about spinning tops as an everyday carry item. But after reading about BilletSPIN EDC and what they offer, I completely understand why they're so popular. Now as I mentioned, they are known for their spinning tops. This does spin, but this is more of an EDC coin slash spinning top. And it looks like BilletSPIN EDC is more geared towards the fidget-friendly side of the everyday carry community, especially this guy right here. This can be used as a fidget coin, a card marker, golf ball marker, or just as a top. And I never realized just how fidgety and addicting a top could be, especially when you're bored. I just found myself taking this thing over and over again and spinning it for no reason at all. Now the Thunderstorm Stemless Gambit body right here is made of titanium. You can see the bottom does have that ball to make it really easy to spin, and it also has these serrated edges, focus, right there. And this is CNC'd out of a single piece of titanium. And check out the color here on this Thunderstorm version. That color really pops. Now check this out. Right on the inside here, there's a stainless steel retention spring, if you guys can see that. That does serve a purpose. That's to hold in BilletSPIN EDC's Gambit coins right here. This guy right here is the Gambit coin 3-piece zirconium and copper glow-in-the-dark smiley face. And this one right here I have is the Gambit coin 2-piece zirconium spiro spoked coin. Now of course these can be carried as an everyday coin by themselves or be used as a golf ball marker or a pool marker. But what I really like about these is you can inlay them right inside of the Thunderstorm Stemless Gambit body, as you can see right there. So for me personally, I really like this zirconium and copper smiley face with that glow-in-the-dark mouth. And let me just demonstrate that glow-in-the-dark feature on the mouth.
A few moments later.
All right, check that out. Now you can see why I like this guy the best. Zirconium and copper, glow-in-the-dark smile, and it sort of reminds me of this pin that I just so happened to have laying around here. Now while the coins are inserted in the body here, they can't be used as a fidget spinner themselves because that retention spring inside allows them to rotate, as you can see. All right, now let's check out the spoked version here. Just pop it out, pop the other one in, and there is the Gambit coin 2-piece zirconium spiro spoked. Now I do like this package of the titanium body and these inset coins here, but you can also put these coins in to this bad boy right here. This is the stainless steel Gambit multi-tool. It has a bottle opener here, a pry tool, but you can see a little spot for those coins with that same stainless steel retention spring in there. So let's use the copper smiley face, stick that in there, and boom. And once again, while the coins are inside of this multi-tool, they act as a little fidget device. I hate to say fidget spinner because that's not really what they are. It's just a fidget-friendly multi-tool, I should say. But regardless of what you call it, I still like the fidget-friendly factors of basically all the gear here from BilletSPIN EDC. Now let me give you guys a close-up of the stainless steel Gambit multi-tool here. You can see on the front, there's a little bit of texture, and that same texture is on the back there. And then there's an attachment right here at the end to put on your keychain or even just a small lanyard. And before I move on, I know you guys are gonna wanna see that spoked coin in here. There we go. Get that out, and let me pop the spiro spoked coin in there. That's awesome. Now let me put all this off to the side here and bring in the pen. Now this might be my favorite piece of gear from BilletSPIN EDC as of right now. Check this bad boy out. This is their titanium cam pen with blue accents. So the blue accents are right here around the grip, these blue grip lines right here. And then right here on the actuator screw, and then on the pocket clip, you can see there's 2 blue screws right there. And once again, this blue color really pops on the color of this titanium here. What do you guys think? Now, what I think makes this pen really special and unique is this mechanism right here. It just takes a single thumb swipe to the right and you're ready to start writing. Now, I have a ton of bolt action pens, but nothing quite like this. This is pretty unique, and it fits right into BilletSPIN EDC's fidget-friendly lineup that they have going on here. Now, I don't really fidget a lot, but with pens, apparently I do a lot. So I annoy a lot of people because I'm one of those people that just sit there and click pens over and over again until somebody wants to kill me. And when I first received this pen and when I was checking it out for the first time, I found myself doing this over and over again and not even realizing it. And this mechanism was actually created by the founder and owner of BilletSPIN EDC. His name is Richard Stadler. Now, Richard Stadler created this mechanism to be very fidget friendly and addicting, and I think he was very successful at that. So let's go over some of the dimensions here. The diameter is 0.41 inches. The length is 5.2 inches. It weighs 42 grams and uses T8 Torx screws right here on the pocket clip. And if I show you the pocket clip here, it's not quite deep carry, which pens rarely are. There's about a ½ inch from the top of that pocket clip to the top of the pen. And it says it fits any Parker refill. So let's see what refill is in here right now. It is a Parker gel refill. It says right here, ceramic gel fine P42. So let's put this back together. And let me tell you, this diameter right here is 0.41 inches is almost perfect for me. I don't like super chunky, thick pens. I don't like to feel like I'm writing with a big branch of a pen. This right here feels really, really good. So let's see how this rates right here. Let me just give it a quick test. Oh yeah, this is fine. Very nice writing. I think this feels very comfortable. I like these little milled out grip rings right here with the blue inside. Once again, just pops, I think. I just love that blue on titanium look. Guys, this is my favorite piece of gear from BilletSPIN EDC so far. Not taking anything away from their multi-tool right here. I really like this, but I'm a big fan of pens, especially titanium pens. I love this mechanism right here. Super unique, feels great in the hands. Yes, I like it. And it ships with this leather pen sleeve right here. So this is very, very nice. I love this, but let me move on to the last item I have right here. And inside of this black tin case, if I can get it open, is the one item, or the items that BilletSPIN EDC is known for and how they got their start as a company. One of their tops here. Now, they have many different versions of their EDC tops. This one's the Unity Top number 11 Twist in Damascus and bronze. Now, this is two pieces in two different materials. So the bronze is right here, is the main portion of the top. And then you can see that Damascus ring that basically circles that middle piece. And that Damascus outer ring has holes in it, so you can see that bronze poke through there. Check that out. And I'm looking at the website right now. It says that this bronze inner piece is milled to show humans holding hands, and I'm not really sure if I see that. What am I missing here? Regardless, even though I know nothing about EDC tops, you can tell that this thing is very upscale, very high quality. It has a definite weight to it, but this high quality does not come cheap. They're asking $200 for this bad boy. Now, obviously at that price point is going to negate about 90% of the everyday carry community unless you're really into EDC tops. And you can't deny the craftsmanship here. I mean, just check this out. It is absolutely beautiful. And they offer a ton of different versions right here in copper and bronze, stainless steel. There's an antique copper right here that looks absolutely beautiful, but it looks like it's sold out. But you guys get the idea. Now let's just give this a spin. I mean, yeah, it's doing what it does. It's a top. But you can see how this can be very, very fidgety. Would I pay $200 for this? Probably not, like I said, unless I'm really, really into spinning tops, which I've actually never even thought about it until BilletSPIN EDC got a hold of me and wanted to see if I wanted to check out some of their gear. But apparently these are very popular because BilletSPIN EDC has done a couple Kickstarter campaigns that have been very, very successful. So obviously there is a market out there for high-end EDC spinning tops such as this. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of BilletSPIN EDC's tops, their multi-tool, their coin, and my favorite, their cam pen in titanium with blue accents. Now, if you want to check these out for yourself, I will have links down below in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!